Welcome back, and now this time we've had a look at what a vertex and edge and a face is. So let's have a look at some of these little modifier tools, or deformers as they call it in Maya. So let's say we want to make this into a chair. Clearly it's not an optimized chair as there's too many polygons, but in the case of this video, let's just start. So if I just select these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll call that the back. So what I can do is press this button under components, extrude, and then if I pull it up, as you can see earlier in the previous videos when I pulled up, the whole geometry would change, but all extrusion is doing is adding a new layer on top. So let's just say that's how I like it, that's fine. And then we can do the same again on the bottom. Click, 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 control, shift click, sorry. And then extrude, and then here we go. That's a simple weird looking bar chair that we have. And then if we do that, go here. Oh, okay, cool, that's fine. So essentially that is the extrude tool. Now if we go to edge mode and select, and what we could do is we could just select each, oh sorry, I'm in vertex mode. If we go to edge and select each and every single one by control shift, this could take a lot of time. So an alternative is if we just press if we press shift and left click, select them all, and then if we press control click to get rid of these front facing ones, and then if we hold control again, we can get rid of these top ones. As you can see, it's in this case it might not be as effective, but generally it's the fastest way to get rid of polygons. So now that we've done that, if we press on the bevel button, you're able to see it's created that soft edge. Now in what you can do is, as you can see, it says fragment, segment, depth, metering, and chamfer. So you can manually add the number, but if you hold onto it, you can see the arrow change, the mouse changes. So if you drag it left and right, it creates like the level of depth that you want it at. So in this case, if I wanted to add more segments, I could. It'll give it a cleaner look, but in this case, I'm not going to bother. So let's just say that's fine. So let's carry on with some more beveling. So if we select this one, actually, if we just double click it, you see the entire edge gets selected. So what we can do is press bevel, and you can see it's now done it. No, I don't want too much, that one's fine. And same again with this. So if you select it from the bottom, what you'll notice is these like leg, the feet of it will be selected as well. We don't want that. So if you select it from the middle, you'll see the top hasn't been selected, nor has the bottom. So you can carry on, and we can press bevel. And this is a bit circular, and I don't necessarily want too much, just a little bit, 0.1, 0.2, that's fine. And here we have a nice beveled little bar stool. Cool.